Go take my belt off. Yeah, I got you.
Get out, get out.
Hurry, take my belt off.
Hell no. Come on, you got this. Yeah!
You, buddy. We on them now.
Oh, that's a little baby one.
I still take this, man.
Hey, we on them now, right?
Still take this, man.
And I got the whole video.
We on them hoes now.
Man, that hoe got tangled, nigga. This nigga was fucking around with my shit for real. We on them hoes, baby. Hey, baby, we on top of the money hoe, baby. We can't let nobody know about this shit. Bro, I wasn't even hooked. Cody, I was not hooked, nigga.
It wasn't?
Nope. What saved me was this hoe was tangled, nigga. I just slid this hoe out, nigga.
Why's that hoe bleeding then?
I don't know. Probably did hook it at first, cause I yanked the fuck out that hoe. Nice channel. Nothing big, but you know, better than nothing.
Yeah.
Better than getting started.
Hey, we on them now for sirs. You casted yours out far, right?
Oh, I thought that was my phone. Nice channel, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Bro, that was on video.
For real, right?
Yeah.